Welcome back everyone to our next section, marketing funnels. So in this section we are going to learn the different marketing funnels. So what is marketing funnel? It's a process in which a prospect discovers your brand and end up with buying your product or services. So let's elaborate this. For example, you are new to your business. No one's nothing about you or your brand. So how they can buy from you? How they will end up with buying your product with the help of marketing funnels? Yes, that's why marketing funnels comes into business, right? And it's a process in which a prospect defines your brand first and they end up with a buying your product. So with the help of this funnel you will achieve your business goals. So let's discuss this, what is exactly marketing funnel with the help of this diagram. So first one is the awareness section. And what is awareness? Because you are new to your business, no one's nothing about you or your brand. So right, so first the section which is a broader, you can see this is a funnel shape. So in this funnel shape, the first one is awareness, which is a broader perspective. And the when we go to the lower down, this is interest, right? And we whenever we go bottom side, it's getting smaller because the perspective, now they are getting no to your brand. So the another is decision, right? And the last one is action. And what is action? They will end up with buying your product or services. So this is awareness, interest, and decision and action. So this is a marketing funnel. This is also called AIDA principle. I'm sure you have heard about this AIDA funnel, because in the first section, a perspective, they know to our brand. In the second section, which is alphabetically I, they have an interest to know our brand in detail. And the next one is decision, it's also called desire. After having then an interest in your brand, they will decide whether they should go with your brand or not. And the last one is action. If they find all these three stages of the marketing funnel very interesting, they will end up with action. They will end up with buying your product, right? So now let's get back to the detail. So in awareness section, how they can be aware of your product, how they can get attention with your product. So how they can end with awareness section, with the help of your social media post. Yes, if you are consistent with your post, and anyone when they comes up with your social media profile, what they do, they just now getting to know what exactly your brand does. So now with this stage of the marketing funnel, awareness, they are getting to know what are you, who are you, what your brand does. So this is the awareness section. So with this awareness section, by providing right content to your audience, they have in your mind, now you are in their mind, and you are helping them to aware about your brand with the help of your social media post. So this is the awareness, the most important section of the funnel, the most important stage of the funnel, right? Now just go back to our next stage of the funnel, which is interest. As I told you, it's AIDA principle. A as awareness and attention, I as interest. And now in interest, what happens is exactly whenever, so social media, what is social media? It's just a free traffic source. Yes, it's a free traffic source, and you have to utilize that free traffic source. So what happens in the awareness stage, whenever any prospects comes to your profile, social media profile, right, they are now getting aware of your brand, right? And the next step is what? Now what they will do, they will just google it, or if you have mentioned your website in all your social media profiles. What they will do, they just directly click on your website from your social media profile, right? So when they will redirect, they will see your website or any article, and when they will scroll down your article, when they will scroll down your website, so what they will have now, because they are interesting, that's why they check out your profile, that's why they check out your article. Right now in this stage, they are getting interest knowing your brand. Right, so now we have completed our two stages of marketing funnel. One, we are getting prospects from your social media profile, and they are getting to know what exactly who are we, right, what kind of brand we are. And the next one is they are having an interest to know what exactly we do, and how they are doing that. They are doing with the help of our website and articles, in which we have mentioned all about our content. Right, so now we have completed our two stages of the funnels, marketing funnels. The next one is desire and decision. Right, so now, what if we have completed our two stages of marketing funnel, and if the prospects, they have completed, they have gone through these two stages, so now they want to know what kind of products we have, what kind of services we are providing. And what will happen now, from our website or articles, they will go to our product sales page. Yes, whatever kind of product you have, whatever kind of services you are providing, now they will redirect from your website to your products or sales page. And if they like your product, if they like your services, and they find, yes, they have an amazing product, they have a great product, so now what they will do, they will end up with purchase of your product, and this is the action stage. So this is the example how marketing funnel works, and what is exactly marketing funnels, and how it can help in your business. So this is the power of marketing funnel, that is very important to have whatever kind of business you are doing. And let me tell you, whatever kind of marketing you are seeing on your social media profiles, or wherever in email marketing, you must have signed up so many brands, and you are getting emails for so many brands. So what are these? They are following every type of marketing funnel. They are not just selling one product or two product, they are selling multiple products through their funnels with these stages. And what are these? It's ADA principle: awareness, interest, desire, and action. Right, and now let me tell you, this is not the end of marketing funnel, because what the people do, most of the people, they do these mistakes, and I would say 90% of the people, 90% of the businesses and marketers even, they do these mistakes. So what happened, whenever they end up with purchase action, they forget about their customers. Right, yes, this is truth, and this is really harsh truth for the point of view of a customer. Because if you are getting a customer, so you are not getting a customer only for your one product, it's your responsibility to retain them, so that in the future, if you will come up with another great product, they will purchase from you. Right, so this is very important to retain the customer. So this is a retention, and I think that's very important to let you know that once you end up, when any prospect, they end up with buying your product, so you should not forget the customer. You also have to take care of your customer, not just for once, instead for your lifetime of the customer. So this is the retention stage, that is very important. Right, so I hope you have now idea about the marketing funnel, what is exactly marketing funnel and how it works. So now let's have some case studies of the marketing funnels. So in this section, I'm going to tell you in detail about the one type of email marketing funnel, and the another is social media post funnel, and the next one is interview funnel. So let's discuss these three types of funnel in another section.